It's the Nike Travis Scott Barcelona Retro 2000s jersey. Worth it? In this video, we're going to figure that one out. Hey everybody, I'm Massimo, and welcome back to the only channel on YouTube that covers in-depth videos of cars, fashion, lifestyle, the Show Me channel. Today we're going over this bad boy. So right before we do, be sure to like and share for that YouTube algorithm, as well as subscribe. Any support would just be awesome. Now let's get right into it. Alright, first let's talk about the boxing of this jersey. So this one is pretty nice, man. So it comes in a pretty cool Cactus Jack bag. Cactus Jack right there. Great logo. Back, nothing much, and it's translucent with a Ziploc. So I'm doing that Ziploc and removing the jersey from the bag, and woo! This is a pretty freaking dope jersey. Alright, so background information about this jersey. This jersey released way back in May with the retail price of $125. I think they said like upwards of only 1,899 units of these things were made, so they're quite rare. I think they might have did some restocks because the resale went from like $1,000 down a whole bunch to now only like I think $200 for one of these jerseys. And yeah, like long story short, Nike was like, yo Travis, yo Barcelona, you want to do a retro inspired jersey? And here we are. So is this jersey worth it? Well, let's start by talking about the styling. Alrighty, so this is styled in the OG 2000s era Barcelona jersey. Honestly, probably one of my favorite eras of soccer fashion, because everything was just kind of like cool and baggy, and this one kind of shows that off a little bit. So we have the iconic Barcelona colors, you know, that dark burgundy with that nice little subtle navy, all that stuff. And for the front, we have a Barcelona logo right there, followed by the Nike logo. And if you look closely, we have a Travis Scott signature on there. It is the kind of like shadowy skeleton figure on it. Kind of one of the trademarks of, you know, Cactus Jack himself. He likes skeleton stuff. That's all there is really to the front of it. Now coming to the back, we have Cactus Jack on top for the name with the number 2. Comment down below why he chose the number 2 for this one. On the side there, we have yet another little Cactus Jack logo and Barca right on the bottom of it. Pretty cool, man. I think one of my favorite things about this jersey is how well they kind of incorporate like all the things with it, with Nike, Barcelona, and the little Cactus Jack stuff. It is really dope. Quality of this jersey seems to be pretty nice too. Doesn't seem like you're getting any less of a jersey than normal, which is pretty good. I mean, stitching, all of that seems great, as well as the printing of all the logos. Really like those OG colors too for the jersey. Pretty fly. Not really much going on with the interior of the jersey, so let's go and round the styling off with the tags. So we got a couple tags, really only 2 right there. We have Barcelona, Cactus Jack, and Nike. With the sizing right there, it is a medium. Then right there, we have some words that say made by Travis Scott, and this is made out of 100% polyester. Alrighty, enough about talking about the styling of the jersey. I bet you guys are all wondering what it looks like on body, so let's go put it on. Alrighty, so here's what the jersey looks like on body, and I gotta say, man, this has gotta be one of the more baller t-shirts or things I think I've ever reviewed on the channel. I think it's just really cool how it's just a retro 2000s jersey. Probably one of my favorite eras. It's kind of special because it's Barcelona, of course, and they got those cool little Travis Scott hints on it. I mean, it's really dope. Feels really comfortable and light, of course. It is a jersey after all. Feel like I can wear this all day. Maybe not when it's a cold because it does feel obviously really thin. Sizing looks like to be about right. I mean, I'm a medium, and this fits pretty darn true. So yeah, here's what the jersey looks like from the front, and now I'm gonna turn around and show you guys what the jersey looks like from behind. Oh my god, that is really cool. Travis Scott, all that stuff. I mean, that's dope. This jersey's dope. All right, so styling things, you know, I kind of went with just a normal pair of black jeans because it's kind of like a darker jersey. And then with it being darker, I would wear kind of like darker shoes, so I would go with more like bread colored. I think this would work pretty well. Or just normal athletic sneakers or soccer shoes, soccer cleats or something like that. I know people like to, you know, wear like their soccer uniform around and stuff like it's nothing, and that will work for this. Me, I'm more like lifestyle, so I'd wear like, you know, bread colored for this jersey with some just darker pair of jeans. That's how I would do it. And yeah, I think that really there all needs to be said for this jersey, man. I mean, it's pretty damn fly. Gonna do one more turn around, and now on a scale of 1 to 10, you know, this one's a 10 out of 10. It is. It really is. I mean, I might be, you know, fanboying a little bit because I am a soccer fan. I do watch soccer a lot. Yeah, I mean, this one is just really nicely done and executed, you know? The way, once again, they incorporated the Travis Scott stuff on it, really done in good taste. It's slim with some pops in there and stuff. And it's really special. I mean, they only made like 2,000 of these. So yeah, it is definitely worth the retail price and honestly, the very low resale price right now. 100%. Get your hands on this hoodie by all means because I think value is just only gonna go up. And yeah, so I think that's all needs to be said for the Nike Travis Scott Barcelona jersey. What'd you guys think about it? Comment down below your opinion, like and share for that YouTube algorithm, and last but certainly not least, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.